அருட்பெரும் ஜோதி அருட்பெரும் ஜோதி தனிப்பெரும் கருணை அருட்பெரும் ஜோதி எல்லா உயிர்களும் இன்புற்று வாழ்க கொல்லா நெறியே குவலயமெல்லாம் ஓங்குக. திருவர் பிரகாச வள்ளற்பெருமான் அவர்களின் சுத்த சன்மார்க்க நெறியினை பல்வேறு நூல் வடிவங்களாக ஆக்கி தந்தவர் திண்டுக்கல் சுவாமி சரவணானந்தா அவர்கள் தயவு மனிதனின் நெற்றிக்கண் என்ற ஒரு நூலிலே ஆங்கிலத்திலே ஒரு முன்னுரை வழங்கியுள்ளார்கள். அன்பர்களின் தகவலுக்காக அந்த ஆங்கில முன்னுரை தற்பொழுது இங்கே ஒலி வடிவிலே தரப்படுகின்றது. இன்ஃபினிட் கிரேஷியஸ் டிவைனிட்டி, ஏபிசி ஆஃப் டிவைன் ட்ரூத் இஸ் எட்டர்னலி working from the innermost of everything, but its existence is known to the knowledge of man of compassion and wisdom only after experiencing the sensuous and mental development. The true knowledge blossoms in man only by the omni-grace of God, since he realizes the universe-filled divine light from the soul atom set up on the brain center above the midhead. The boundless space-filled divine light of His grace itself has been kept enlightening the soul of man. This soul particle is really a small entity containing the whole divine truth, revealing everything to the man in the long spiritual journey towards the endless life of divine bliss. For having practical experience, the gracious light will be coming out only in the perfect human life. To get at this experience, an aspirant has to live in the soul light itself. For entering into this soul abode, one has to go through the imaginary gate between the two eyebrows at the root of the nose. At this point alone, the reflection of the inner divine light is set up. From this spot only, one has to concentrate with the steady mind to obtain the real soul light of the midhead. When a compassionate, pure mind settles on the soul plane, the whole truth will be revealed gradually. This soul light is really the divine eye of God-man. From here, the truth of divinity is revealed. This all-powerful, gracious light itself is in infinity. The word infinity denotes one which is smaller than the smallest and bigger than the biggest size. Therefore, this divine light of infinite grace is called the third eye of divinity, which offers achievement of blessed blissful life. With this divine eye, all the ancient men of wisdom of great knowledge obtained many miraculous attainments, but they finally merged in the soul, leaving all their life experiences. All the philosophical, spiritual, mystic powers were unable to become divine to live forever with the blessed life of bliss. But it is now opening a new great path to the whole humanity. With the adoption of the new life of whole universe is to undergo a great change that has not been dreamt of so far, a deathless life of everlasting bliss. Till now, the so-called religious, philosophical and yogic path led the mankind from the outer world to the inner world of the soul abode, where all their experiences vanished completely and their lives with physical body came to dissolution. Even the truth of infinite soul and the supreme divinity filling in and out of the entire universe were not correctly understood. It is a great mystic, namely the supreme God of Sat Chit Ananda alone is working from each and every soul to the final emancipation of deathless blissful life. The whole universe-filled divine light was till now kept mystically only for the complete revelation in the base is inconscious stage. Hence, none was able to dig and bring out the inner divine truth. Even men of vested with great wonderful powers simply passed away only to merge in the inconscient darkness. Anyhow, the outer life was not a permanent one and at the same time a limited one. Now, the supreme gracious life of man has come to provide him with the above, the eternal blissful life, to bring out the whole humanity to divinity. Therefore, the divine eye perceives the root A, B, C and the fruit X, Y, Z to help all for living an endless life in the universe on the whole. Long live the humanity with divinity. தயவு சுவாமி சரவணானந்தா, சத்தியஞான கூட்டம், திண்டுக்கல், 1 February 1995. அருட்பெரும் ஜோதி, அருட்பெரும் ஜோதி, தனிப்பெரும் கருணை, அருட்பெரும் ஜோதி, தயவு.